What if you could make a rich, hearty navy bean soup with ham in about an hour? No soaking required. You can with dried beans and an Instant Pot. Start by sorting the beans, pick out any bad ones, and then rinse them with cold water. Heat some olive oil in an Instant Pot and add a mirepoix of onion, celery, and carrots. You want to saute them just for a couple of minutes until the vegetables get a little soft. Then add the rinsed navy beans and a ham bone. This is for flavor and richness. Then comes water, about 7 or 8 cups. You want it to cover the beans completely and at least halfway up the ham. Seal the lid and pressure cook for about 38 minutes. The beans should be tender by now, but you want to test them, so fish a couple out and taste to make sure. Remove the ham bone. The meat should practically fall off the bone, and just let that rest for a few minutes. Use a pair of tongs to remove the bay leaves. Nobody wants to eat them. And then we're going to transfer about 1½ cups of the navy bean soup to a blender. Puree the beans until they're smooth and creamy. I do this because the Instant Pot is a very gentle cooker and you won't break down any of the beans. Pureeing will make it thicker and richer with a creamy mouthfeel. Remove any additional meat from the bone, shred it, and then add it back to the pot. This is a great way to use up leftover ham. Season the soup with kosher salt, dried oregano, some crushed red pepper flakes, and black pepper. Stir it well to combine, and then we're going to add fresh kale. I cut the kale into thin ribbons and then just stir it into the soup. Seal the lid and pressure cook for 1 minute. Use the quick release valve to stop the cooking, and that's it. This navy bean soup is an economical way to feed the whole family, and it's ready in about an hour. How great is that? You can refrigerate this soup for 5 to 7 days, and it freezes well for up to 4 months. Incidentally, if you don't have a ham bone left over, you can use a ham hock or a ham steak with the bone included. Love this Instant Pot navy bean soup? Hit like and subscribe for more easy homemade meals. Enjoy.